Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. Y'all, I got all of these items for free and made over $4 buying it all. So of course I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how I did that. And also, I am getting so excited. Y'all, I am super close to 5,000 subscribers. And I am really hoping that I make it there by my birthday. So my birthday is at the end of the month. I don't know if y'all know this yet. So maybe drop a comment and tell me how old you think I'm turning. I'm not sure if that's a good idea or not. If y'all say I'm 60, that's really gonna bug me. All right, so if you're new here, welcome. So glad that you are here. I do a Walmart Wednesday haul every Wednesday. This week, I also did a Walgreens haul that I posted on Monday, as well as a CVS haul that I posted on Tuesday. I am bringing the CVS videos back, trying to determine if that's something that you all are interested in. So let me know if you like seeing those, and I will try to keep producing the CVS videos for you as well. All right, so let's jump into the deals. Let's start with some Ibotta deals. I grabbed these Incognito Morningstar Farms Mickey Mouse Nuggets. Now, these are priced at $5.27. That is their regular price. There was a $2 peely on this item. There was a $2 peely on most of the Morningstar Farms products. So I paid $3.27, but there was also an Ibotta offer for $2.50 back, making this just 77 cents, and my kid loves these. So for 77 cents, I thought it was a great price. If you're not using Ibotta yet, you definitely want to grab it. It's one of the apps that's been around the longest, and they have awesome offers. Grab it using my referral code because you'll join my savings team as well as unlock up to $20 in welcome bonuses. So the next offer that I grabbed is one that I probably shouldn't have because I know I'm going to eat them because they are my favorites. I love these milk chocolate flips. They are ridiculously good, but there are two different apps giving a rebate on this. So first of all, it is priced at $1.98. You can find these, at least in my store, up near the registers. So $1.98, Ibotta is giving back 75 cents. Shopkick is giving back 200 kicks. And with Shopkick, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. So 200 divided by 250 is 0.8, which means I got 80 cents back for purchasing this. So overall, I just paid 43 cents for this bag of scrumptious yumminess. Great price, but be careful if you've never tried them before, you might get hooked. They're amazing. So with Shopkick, like I said, every 250 kicks is equivalent to $1. You can sign up using my referral code and you will get bonus kicks when you use that. I also have a full tutorial on the Shopkick app if that's something that interests you. Okay, let's see. What else do I want to tell you about? Oh, here's another Shopkick deal. This Palmolive, the 8-ounce container of the dish soap. It is priced at 98 cents. Now on my Shopkick app, I had an offer for 225 kicks when I scan and purchase it. Now I did scan the bigger one. I purchased the smaller one. I got the 225 kicks back, which means I got 90 cents back, making this just 8 cents total. So a great price, especially if you like this brand. I also grabbed these Danimal smoothies. These are priced at $2.76. That's the regular price at the store. I had a $1 coupon that I printed, and I have that coupon linked for you in the printable Google document. You can find that down in the video description box. So I paid $1.76. I got $1.50 back on the Checkout 51 app, making this 6-pack of yogurt just 26 cents. So that's great to have. Another deal that I want to tell you about, and this is a bundle deal. So this is with Ibotta as well as with the new cash back program that I told you about last week called Aisle. So there is a bundle deal on Ibotta for the super coffees and this hydrant rapid hydration drink mix. So follow along with me. You would need to buy one of the hydrants. This is priced at $11.98. Whoa, $11.98 for this. I was like, seriously? And then two of the super coffees. These are priced at $2.87. So when you purchase two, that's $5.74. Now, Ibotta had rebates for both of these, as well as a bonus for buying both. So on my Ibotta app, I got $1.50 back for buying the coffee. I got $4 back for buying the hydrant. I got $2.87 back for buying both. Now that was on Ibotta. I also snapped pictures of my receipt and texted it to Aisle. I'll tell you about that here in just a second. But they gave me back $4 for the coffee, $2 for each one, and they gave me back $6 for the hydrant, making all three items completely free and a 65-cent moneymaker. So now Aisle is not an app. It's a little bit different. It is text-based. So you go to Aisle, and then when you sign up, it will give you a number that you text your receipts to. And then when they process your receipt, they deposit the cash back into your Venmo account. So if you're interested in Aisle, signing up for Aisle, I'm going to include a link for you where you can go to sign up for that. Also found in the video description box below. So great deal on that. Another Ibotta deal, and I know I say I will never pay for toothpaste, but this is actually my new favorite toothpaste, the Colgate Renewal. This is priced at $6.96. There is a $3 coupon that you can submit your receipt to on coupons.com. You'll get $3 back from that app. There's also a $3 rebate on Ibotta. So I got $6 back, making this just 96 cents. But I did have that midweek marker bonus from Ibotta for when I redeemed 5 offers, I got $1 back. So in my head, I was applying that dollar to the 96 cents here, making it free. But if you had already hit your bonus or you don't have a bonus, with the $3 back on the coupons.com app and the $3 back on Ibotta, you would pay 96 cents for this item. The One by Poise. Now, I'm going to talk to you about it, but if you watched my Walgreens video, you know I grabbed this at Walgreens. It's actually a little bit better deal at Walmart, so I still want to mention it to you. So these are priced at $5.46. Now, there is a $3 printable coupon that I have linked for you on that printable document. You would pay $2.46. You would get back $3 on Fetch Rewards if you have that offer. But there's also a Shop Kick offer for 720 kicks back when you scan it and buy it. So that's another $2.88 back, making this free and a $3.42 moneymaker. Now, when I say if you have the Fetch offer, if you don't have the Fetch Rewards app yet, grab it using my referral code because, of course, you're going to get additional points back when you scan your first receipt. But once you get into your Fetch Rewards app, check and see if you have the One by Poise offer. A lot of people got a $3 or a $5 offer this past Sunday, so double check and make sure you have that offer before you go out and buy these. If you're not using Fetch Rewards yet and you want to see a full tutorial on how to use it, I do have one of those for you that you can check out. I can link it for you down in the video description box. All right, so let's talk Swagbucks. I did 2 different Swagbucks deals this week. It is a new month. So all of those deals with Swagbucks that say you can redeem it once per month, it's a new month, so you can do that now. So I grabbed these again, these Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust. They're priced at $3.97. So when you buy 2, it's $7.94. But the Swagbucks offer is for $8 back when you buy 2 of them. So it makes both of them free and a 6-cent moneymaker. Now, these processed for me right away. I had no issues with Swagbucks this week, which was nice. If you're not using Swagbucks already, I do have a link down for you in the video description box. You would get an additional $3 back when you scan your first receipt with Swagbucks. The other deal I did, and I grabbed this yesterday when I was at the store, are on the Ultra Fit condoms. There are a few different kinds that apply to the rebate. The rebate is buy 2, get $16 in Swagbucks back. These are priced at $7.98 each. So when you buy 2, you're gonna pay $15.98, and then Swagbucks will give you $16 back, making it free and a 2-cent moneymaker. So great deal if that is a product that you need. I think that was everything this week. So like I said, once I grabbed all of these, I got that. I bought a midweek marker bonus for $1. It ended up making everything free and just over a $4 moneymaker for everything. So awesome, awesome deals this week over at Walmart. If y'all have any questions about any of these things, please let me know down in the comments below. Now I'm a little nervous to see the comments because I'm curious how old you guys think I am. If I haven't mentioned it before, I might have. There was something else I wanted to tell you. This coming week is going to be so fun. Gina Schweppe has organized an Olympics-themed couponers challenge, and I cannot wait to see everyone's videos. There are so many different couponers participating in this. I believe she's going to be talking about it this evening on her live, so if you want to learn more about it, go check out her live video this evening. It's at 8:30 Central Time. But we are competing, friendly competition against each other to see who can score a gold, silver, or bronze medal for our couponing skills. Hope y'all are having a fantastic week. Thanks.